Hello dear followers, do you feel constantly tired and frequently catch colds? Did you know that some of the foods you eat daily may be the hidden reason behind weakening your immune system? In today's episode, we will reveal shocking facts about foods that silently destroy your immunity based on recent studies and documented scientific research. Follow me until the end to discover the information that may completely change your view of food. Part 1. Foods that destroy immunity. 1. Refined grains and high carbohydrates effect on the intestines. Eating refined carbohydrates such as white bread and sugary baked goods increases blood sugar and poses a risk to immune cells in the intestines. According to a study published in the journal Allergy in 2022, these foods negatively affect the intestinal barrier and the diversity of intestinal bacteria. Lack of fiber. These foods are devoid of fiber, which plays a vital role in supporting immune cells and renewing intestinal bacteria. 2. Alcohol effect on the intestines and immunity. Alcoholic beverages cause inflammation in the intestines and weaken the body's ability to resist infection. Excessive alcohol consumption leads to a decrease in the immune response and increases the risk of disease. Health consequences. According to studies, excessive alcohol consumption leads to a deterioration in the function of white blood cells and a negative effect on the body's hormones. 3. Sugar-sweetened beverages. Effect on blood. Sugar. Excessive sugar intake, especially through sugar-sweetened beverages, changes the composition of the microorganisms in the intestines and increases chronic inflammation. Drinks with high blood sugar levels. Tyrothan changes intestinal permeability and contributes to chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation. Excessive sugar intake increases the production of inflammatory proteins such as TNF-A, CRP, and IL-6, which negatively affects immune function. 4. Fried foods, ages, and inflammation. Fried foods contain a higher percentage of advanced glycation end products, ages, which accumulate in the body and cause inflammation and atherosclerosis. According to research, these substances may be associated with a less optimal gut microbiome, increased inflammation, and a weakened gut barrier. Acrylamide. Fried foods accumulate acrylamide, a dangerous carcinogen. Acrylamide increases the risk of cancer and irritates the immune system. 5. Red meat and processed meats. Effects on gut bacteria. When red meat is digested, gut bacteria create a substance called trimethylamine, TMA, which is then converted to trimethylamine N-oxide, TMAO, by the liver. High levels of it are often associated with unhealthy gut bacteria, saturated fats, and inflammation. Processed meats are high in saturated fats, which contribute to systemic inflammation and impair immune function. According to research, diets high in saturated fats increase susceptibility to infection and damage the lining of the gut. 6. Fast food and processed foods. Inflammation and bacteria. Eating fast food and processed foods leads to inflammation and increased intestinal permeability, which negatively impacts immune health. Phthalates. Phthalates can leach into fast food from packaging or plastic gloves and play a role in triggering inflammatory proteins and weakening the immune response. 7. Salty foods. Effect on gut bacteria. Eating large amounts of sodium increases inflammation and changes in the gut microbiome. According to a review published in 2018, high salt intake leads to changes in the body's adaptive immunity, chronic inflammation. Salty foods increase chronic inflammation and atherosclerosis, which weakens immunity and leads to chronic diseases. Section 2. Healthy alternatives and solutions. 1. Immune-boosting foods. Garlic contains allicin, a natural antibiotic that boosts immunity and supports gut bacteria. Ginger, anti-inflammatory, boosts immunity and improves digestion. Leafy vegetables, rich in vitamin C and minerals essential for immunity and supports gut bacteria. 2. Healthy drinks. Green tea, rich in antioxidants that boost immunity and reduce inflammation. Orange juice, high in vitamin C, boosts immunity and supports gut bacteria. Kefir, natural probiotic, boosts gut bacteria and supports immunity. 3. Natural supplements. Vitamin D3, 2,000–4,000 IU daily to boost immunity and white blood cell function. Vitamin C, 500–1,000 mg daily to boost immunity and reduce inflammation. Zinc, 15–30 mg daily to boost immunity and white blood cell function. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more important health tips. Share your experiences with us in the comments and tell us about the foods you ate to strengthen your immunity.